Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you've been watching me for a minute, you've seen this truck before. We've done upper and lower ball joints, starter, some other little things that didn't get filmed. But today it's back. We're going to be doing inner and outer tie rods, oil change, fuel filter, and I believe drain and fill, and maybe a filter change on the transmission. I'll have to check and see what all's inside the truck as far as parts and stuff. But yeah, so let's get into that. This is a 1996, if I recall. Yeah, it's a 96 F150. So it's a relic, but we're going to do some work on it. So let's get into it. It's raining today, so I think all we're going to do is maybe just the fluid stuff. And I don't really have the space. I still have that Mini Cooper in here and all that jazz. So let's see, we got this stuff, this. Oh. Have to make another trip back for the oil stuff. So we got synthetic blend, Motorcraft oil, and filter. I'm going to assume that this is a fuel filter. Yep. Alright. And then that'll be all that. And this is probably the, yep, trans filter here. Let's see what this looks like. Alright, it's got a rubber gasket. Okay. Alright. So, I gotta get my hood strut thing. Stand by. That's my jack thing. There it is. Alright. The last time I used this tool was on this truck. There we go. Alright. That off like such. That's the trans fluid. Where's my dipstick at on this old beast? Right there. Alright. And then pretty sure my filter is down below. Right there, actually in the front. Okay. Oh. Oh. And who's that guy that did that? You turd Ferguson. I should have brought. It's fine. Has a washer on it. I don't know if the new filter comes with one. Let's have a looky-see. It does not appear it does. So I guess we will reuse. Okay, let that drain out. Alright. Feels like 25, 30 foot-pounds. Alright, filter is on this opposite side. Up there, I see. Grab my light. Here, filter is right there. That's not convenient at all. There we go. Maybe, yeah, we're turning a little bit. Reset. Reset. Holy cow, that's gonna cost a lot of cleaning. Boy, that's Messmaker 5000 there, I tell you what. How the heck do you even come out of there? I don't know if you can tell, but this is the first time doing an oil change on a 1996 Ford F-150 for myself, and that filter, I'm not sure where it's supposed to go. You would think there'd be room to come out. There's the... Alright. Oh, shoot. Losing my grip. I feel like there's a spot there, but I'm hitting something. everywhere. Alright, a new filter. Let's get a little oil on the gasket. Let's try to fish this thing in. Oops. Alright. Okay, go back for a second. All right, see if we can get a grip on this thing and get it tightened up here. Don't want no leaks. Let's get this thing filled up. 6 quarts exactly. And we are using SAE 5W30 synthetic blend Motorcraft motor oil. Clean up my spill. That's not good. All right. Went down in that one little spot. Alright. Oops, I already did that. Alright, let's give it a start. And we will be all, you're all over the place. Let's give it a start. And we'll be all done with this oil change. Oh, and we got to get an oil change sticker for it. For 96, so it only has 128,584 miles on it. That's not bad. Alright, that part is done. I don't see a need to check it because it holds 6. We put 6 in. So I'm going to put an oil change sticker in it, but we're going to go ahead and call this oil change a wrap for now. If you liked it, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.